initial observations on this chart, a steep downtrend has been reversed, though recently there's been a moderate retracement, which provides clear ranges to reference, as another bullish acceleration is currently underway. A Fibonacci wedge based on the range of the bearish retracement provides further detail on this most recent uptrend line. The strongest bullish sentiment for this incline has passed, so any drop onto it in the future can provide weaker support, and actually does result in the chart breaking below it. When the Fibonacci wedge is used in a trend line context, some of its levels here can identify areas of resistance to the uptrend similar to a Fibonacci arc or circle. After there's a break below our main trend line, a Fibonacci fan can help identify possible trajectories the chart can fall onto, especially at areas where there's contact with intersections between fan lines and this range now reversing rolls to offer firm support. And even when the Fibonacci range is dragged higher to the most recent peak, it's still possible to get a retracement level intersecting with the fan lines at the same approximate areas.